In a lush, verdant garden, nestled among the blooming flowers, lived a pair of lovebirds. These two were inseparable, their hearts as one, their souls entwined in a dance of love. One day, a golden feather fell from the male lovebird, and it was carried away by the wind. The male lovebird, bereft and distraught, searched high and low for his lost feather. He called out to the wind, imploring it to return what was dear to him, but the wind only laughed, and the feather was lost forever. The female lovebird, seeing her mate's sorrow, tried her best to console him. "Dear one," she said, "do not grieve for that which has been carried away. It is the love in our hearts that matters most, not the trinkets that adorn our bodies." The male lovebird, though his heart was heavy, knew she was right. He realized that the love they shared was more important than any single feather. From that day on, he cherished his love for her even more, and they lived out their days in harmony, their love as strong as ever. The gardeners who tended the garden often spoke of the lovebirds, and their story became a tale passed down from generation to generation. They would say, "Remember the lovebirds, who taught us that love is not found in material possessions, but in the love we share with our hearts." And so, the story of the lovebirds serves as a reminder to us all. May we cherish the love we have for our loved ones, for it is the most precious treasure we can ever possess. Let us not seek solace in transient things, but find our joy in the love that binds our hearts together.